Hey guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, I wanted to announce to everybody that we got a new logo. We didn't actually get a new logo, like total redo over per se, here at Rich Technology Group. Basically what we did was we had our logo redesigned by a guy that we've used for logos for years and years and years. We've been in business now for, I think, about 12, pushing 13 years. And the guy that I had do our logo, who I'm going to list below this video, his name is Matthew Cockrum with a company called The Logo Mat, actually took our existing logo, which we've altered and changed here and there over the years, and we changed it a certain way. So the logo that you're looking at right now that's on the screen in front of you, that's actually the old logo. We've had this logo for, I want to say, approximately maybe 5 or 6 years of the 13 years that we've been in business. But through some things, we decided that it was time to change this logo. So I'm going to show you the new one here in a minute, and I'm going to give you guys a little history lesson of Rich Technology Group and why we changed the logo. So first, before I show you the new logo, I know the suspense is killing you. If you look at the one that's on the screen, it basically says Rich Technology Group, and then the old slogan that used to be in the logo is simplifying technology for home and business. That was the original logo about 6 years ago. It was one of the it was basically the new and improved modern version of our original logo that we had when we started in 2007. So this logo you're looking at was, I guess you could say, version 2. The new one is version 3. At the time, the reason why we had this slogan, the simplifying technology for home and business, is because we were predominantly a computer repair and a network troubleshooting company that did on-site and remote work, mainly for customers in the Richmond, Virginia area and throughout the state of Virginia. Even though we still do some of those services, and I do still have technicians on staff in Richmond, Virginia that help clients with that, for those of you who subscribe to our channel and watch our videos routinely, you know that our main focus now, the main company's focus, has changed to phone and internet service. We're a broker for all of the business phone and internet service carriers in the United States, specifically business. I want to make a point to state that. So in this slogan here that you see, the idea of the simplifying technology for home and business, the home part, while we still do some residential work for people in Richmond, Virginia, and the Virginia area, we don't do any residential services for the phone and internet service consulting, which is we only strictly work with businesses or home-based businesses. So the home and the logo had to go. The other thing is, I was told by a web design company that the whole idea of slogans and the logos is getting kind of outdated. You don't see it with most newer companies, with the bigger businesses, even the medium-sized companies. It's not kind of the new fad. It's kind of phasing out across the board. So we decided that the slogan altogether may need to go, especially the whole thing about simplifying technology, because technology is a very broad thing. And again, for those of you that know who we are and what we do, we focus specifically on phone and internet service procurement for businesses. We do also have another variant, which I won't show you, but there was another variant of this logo where the slogan said simplifying technology for small business. And we decided that we wanted to get rid of that as well, because we don't just work with small businesses anymore. Even though small business tends to be our sweet spot and we work with them mostly, we have a lot of accounts that are medium-sized businesses as well as large corporations that are national also. So that being said, let me show you guys the new logo so you can see a couple of the variances that we have on some things like our website, our Twitter page, our YouTube, and all that, so you can see the difference. So here it actually is on our website, top left. So essentially, like I said, we took the slogan out and then we moved our company name down a little bit. Now, for those of you who have been around for a while, watched our videos, and also are clients of ours, you know that we have another variant of this logo that doesn't have this part here that says Rich Technology Group. It's essentially just this logo, which would only make sense, for example, for things such as like our Twitter page and things like that, because you've got to have like an avatar and whatnot. We obviously can't put the entire header in there. This is the official company logo, but this is kind of like the smaller version or the social media friendly version of the logo. The funny thing is when I first started this company back in 2007, I was really picky about the name because the area where we're from, Richmond, Virginia, we had all kinds of other companies that were around. There was a company called Rich Tech that was almost kind of like a chamber of commerce. They didn't conflict with our company at all, but conveniently enough, or coincidentally enough, they were called Rich Tech. And basically, we would get calls all the time for people that were looking for Rich Tech, which was essentially a chamber of commerce for technology professionals. Basically, we'd get these funny calls saying, "Oh, I was at the technology banquet or the such and such telecom expo the other day, and I forgot to send you guys my registration money or whatever. Where can we send it?" And we'd have to constantly tell people, we're not that. So, we were always really picky. Me personally, I was very picky when people would call me and say, "Oh, I'm looking for Rich Tech," or there was another company in town called Richmond, which is the city that we are originally founded in, Richmond Technology Group, and people would call looking for them. Then there's another company out in Richmond, Virginia called Retail Technology Group, which they don't conflict with us. They're a technology company that specializes in point of sale systems and things like that for retail stores and whatnot. And so people started calling us RTG, even though the acronym in our logo has always been RTG. I never liked it. But over the years, it's become catchy. So one thing that you may or may not know that is a change in our logo as well is there used to be a variant of this avatar that under the RTG acronym, it actually had the words very small, Rich Technology Group. We went ahead and decided to take that out because everybody just calls us RTG anyways. I even find myself calling us RTG sometimes, so it's starting to click for short. Definitely takes less time to tell somebody that they called RTG instead of Rich Technology Group when they ask who we are. More importantly, as you can see, when the avatar is shrunken down, you can't see the Rich Technology Group writing that is in that avatar anyways. I may be able to find an old variant of that logo for you guys. Actually, here's one. So you see how that works. Blown up, you can see it, but if it's small in an avatar like Twitter or Facebook, it's impossible to see. So anyways, in short, that is our new logo. I'm super happy with it. The guy who did the details and changed it up for us, I will put his information below for, as you guys know, most of the audience that watches our channel is probably businesses or business owners or people that operate a business. If you ever are in need of a logo, this guy, his prices are really fair. He's an artist. He can draw up whatever you can think of. He's really great about adding proofs or giving you 3 proofs, and then if you don't like it, he'll give you a few more within reason based on how much he's charged you. Prices are super fair. I'll put a link to his website. Just tell him Prince at Rich Technology Group sent you. Again, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys love the new logo as much as we do. You'll start seeing it throughout all of our stuff like videos, website, so on and so forth. Stay tuned, and I'll have some new videos for you guys again soon.